It's the end of 2025. This is going to be our last monthly challenge for the year. The challenge is to play the song Auld Lang Syne, the Robbie Burns Scottish song that we typically play around the world, really, on New Year's Eve, in a way that challenges you. What does that mean? If you'd like, you can Google the song, get the sheet music, and play it. But that's how usually we do things, and that's not what the point of Accordion Love is. What I'd like for you to do is, if you can, listen to the song if you don't know it. Later in the video, I'll play the song. I want you to figure it out by ear. If you've just picked up the accordion, just try the melody. It's all white notes. Give it a try. That will be your challenge. Post it on the Accordion Love forum. If you'd like to work on your left hand, there are just 3 chords to the song. It's a 1, 5, 4 song, or a 1, 4, 5. The chords to the song are C, F, and G. Practice that. If you're ready for it, work on hands together on the song. If you'd like, work on the song in a different key. If you'd like, you could play the song and move it from a low octave to a high octave. If you'd like, you could add ornaments to the song. If you'd like, work on the dynamics of the song. So if you could play the song as... I'd like to see you arrange the song. Start it off slowly. Maybe with just the root note or just the chord. If you're at that level already, I'd like to see you use some alternate chords, meaning C major, G major, A minor. So some moving bass lines. What can you do to make the song beautiful and special? If you're already an expert at the song, can you make it into a tango or a polka? Etc. That's this month's monthly challenge. You're welcome to do this wherever you are in the world. Accordion Love members, please post on the Accordion Love forum. Worldwide community of learners. Do that 6 times within a year. This is your last chance for this year, and I'll send you Accordion Love merchandise. Do it 12 times in a row, and you get a special prize pack. I'm really excited to see your entries. Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy. I'll play the song in case people don't know what it sounds like with a more advanced bass line. Walking bass line. Take an improvisation solo. Etc. I'd love to see your entry. As much as you can, try and figure it out by ear rather than reading off notes. Thank you.